Bro, man, I've been trying to call you, man.
No phone with this.
All right. That's for your power.
My uncle drive. I used to drive tow trucks.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm Gary nephew. Man, you're a lifesaver, bro.
Go ahead, fam.
Ready, Dad?
Yeah, go ahead, hit it again. Nah, hold on. Try it. Nah. That ain't. Battery weak, but man, hit it again.
Huh?
Hit it again. Is push start?
Huh?
Is push start?
Yeah.
Put it on there. Try it again. I don't have no change on me, bro. No change.
$1, $2, anything, bro. Just me, bro.
Let me see, man.
$1 was for food.
I got you. Let me see what I got some change in the truck. I might have some quarters or something in there, bro.
You do Garrett? You said the tow truck series in Garrett?
I'm from Baton Rouge, bro.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
I wanted to tow truck y'all got to get on the I-10 West of the water deep.
Okay.
No. Maybe like $2 or $3. One with
Yeah, let me see what I got. I gotta go back to.
Yeah, make it a little bigger, like, you know what I'm saying, like something remove you. The more you stay, the more money you get, right?
No, I only get paid a certain amount for coming out here. Yeah, I'm gonna see if I got some change in there right quick.
You be needing like some more, you doing it by yourself or?
Yeah, I'm doing it for myself. Yeah.
You need like any more roadside drivers? I got experience.
I got 3 other people that work with me right now.
This all happened in the tow truck.
Come on, man. Yeah, I got 3 other drivers working with me.